A quick briefing is of any possible snow and wind across the area. Has some winter storm watches in effect for Yellowstone, the Tetons, as well as the Absarokas. That starts tonight, goes through Saturday. And also a high wind watch that goes from tonight into the first part of tomorrow across the Cody foothills, especially around Clark and Highway 120. Total snowfall amounts 10 to 18 inches. That's the highest amount mainly across the Tetons. Also locally over a foot across portions of Yellowstone as well as the Absarokas. About 6 to 12 across the Wind Rivers. Now valleys like Jackson could be a mix of rain and snow for a time with some light precipitation. Heaviest amounts there probably Friday into Friday night as a cold front drops down there and changes any rain over to snow. Not much around the Star Valley. Some decent amount around the Bighorns, I'd say 5 to 10 inches, but most of that not falling until Friday night into Saturday, and some lighter amounts around the Bighorn Basin and Buffalo areas. And the stored impact index, high winds are possible around the Cody foothills, especially tonight and the first part of tomorrow. Strong crosswinds, I would say a little bit lighter, Sweetwater County to Natrona County, especially I-80 and Wyoming Boulevard south of Casper. Highest snowfall amounts, higher elevations. Most of the valley shouldn't see a lot of snow probably until Friday night. And travel, worst parts of the pass is obviously Togety Teton Pass, maybe South Pass as we head toward Friday night. Now, one thing I want to emphasize, though, is across Montana. If you're traveling toward Billings or up toward the Great Falls area, could be some very difficult travel conditions there pretty much from now all the way through the Saturday time frame. So make sure you check road conditions and weather if you're heading up there. And could be some strong crosswinds across portions of I-80 and I-25 and even outer drive, especially on Friday before the cold front drops in. There's our weather resources for weather, road conditions, as well as webcams by route. If you head north, you always check our sister offices for weather in Billings as well as Great Falls. Have a happy New Year, everybody.